What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kids, Glendale Galleria. Let's see what's up, you guys. Glendale Galleria, guys. Bossco and I are actually here to do some, and he apparently sucks at basketball. But we're here to do some research on the Mochas, because not everybody got shipments, so we're here to ask her, try to get some info. Bossco got connections left and right, so we're gonna try to.
I mean, we're gonna see.
We're gonna try to see if someone got some info. Let's see what happens, you guys. See what happens. Start off at Champs. Wait, you wanna start off at Champs, or you wanna go upstairs? Let's go to your. No, let's hit up the spots that you know someone at, and then let's do that. Yeah. So we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna start off at Shoe Palace, and we'll see what happens. Shoe Palace. This is remodeled, renewed. Let's see what happens. Club Shoe Palace. You know the music's gonna be hella loud. First thing that Bossco hits up. Look at that. The up tempos. How are those still here?
I know.
What the hell? I've had so many people ask me about those.
They only have size 12. I think it's size 11. It's still here.
Oh wow! I'm still surprised.
I wish they had a 13, but of course,
Nah, 13s. You know 13s don't get no love. You know that. Those of you guys that do watch my channel, they do have that super dope wallpaper, kind of the dopest wallpaper I've ever seen, made out of all Michael Jordan basketball cards. Pretty freaking dope. Probably paid a lot in licensing now that I think about it. Dude got these. These are the only retros here, to be really honest. Well, they got a couple mids and stuff, but nothing super hyped. They got the Bel Airs. I'm a fan of those. I will eventually wear mine. Is it me, or out of all the Mars 270s, is this the dopest looking one? These actually aren't bad. Definitely not paying $1.59, but maybe if it goes down, maybe I might have to get that, because I kind of am feeling that colorway. I'm not gonna lie. I've never said that about any Mars 270s, to be really honest. I do have a bunch of Adidas on sale, probably cheaper than the Adidas outlet. That's like $100 for these. These are the S&L. Suede and leather. I swear these were more expensive there. I think these were one of the 121s. These go for $100 as well. Are we allowed to call them cool gray? They totally remind me of like a cool gray colorway. Adidas fans are gonna be angry at me for calling something cool gray, but yeah, this is like a brownish color. This is a suede and leather as well. So like a tannish color in between. Like that's fire, you guys. I'm fan of those. $100. So you got the 19s right here. These are the ISS National Laboratory ones. Pretty freaking dope. $90 for these. Got these for $90 as well. I swear these are cheaper than the Adidas outlets, you guys. I really do think so. $130 for these. That's kind of similar to how the Adidas outlets were doing. Yeah, these are $130 as well. Got NMDs for $100. This one goes for $80. I'm not a fan of this this upper though. Definitely not prime knit material. But yeah, I go for $80 if you like red sneakers, not too shabby. $70 for those, $80 for those NMDs. All right, Shoe Palace, they do have the raffles for the Mochas. So once they don't get picked up, they will be first come first serve. But I doubt too many people are leaving those. So yeah, probably SOL here, dude. Finish lines, do some investigating here, see what's going on. We're gonna take a look around real quick, and then we'll talk to the staff members here, see what's going on. Is this one of the Crater versions, or the freaking, I don't know what those are called, the recycled ones? This is dope. I think I did see this once. I'm loving this material. This material is fantastic. Holy crap, $90 for these? Dang, I'm gonna have to find these at the outlet, like a returned one or something. That is fire, dude. I'm gonna have to get one for sure. $90 ain't even that expensive, but I want to get one on discount, man. That's dope. See, these are $75, so I'll pay $15 more for that. Like, I don't know, the material and stuff, I'm digging. But these ain't bad. $75, not too shabby. Gel Light 3s, these are the ones that I really liked. There was like those Japanese ones that I really liked. These are going for $110. The tongue thing is kind of interesting, or lack thereof, kind of interesting. But the materials on this, not digging so much. Those are going for $90. Are these supposed to be out? For some reason, I want to say, I thought these released next week or something. Yeah, these are dope. It's like all satin, and it has suede on the toe as well as the back. These are pretty dope. I'm not a huge fan of the color combo though, even though it is a kind of a Niners colorway. And that, but yeah, I do love that suede on the tip. Pretty freaking dope, you guys. Going for retail. I think it's what, $110? Oh dang, retail is $150 for those. Who's a fan of Jolly Rancher? That's an interesting look, you guys. That's hella interesting. This is Kawhi's new shoe, you guys. What do you guys think about these? What do you guys think? That's a little much for me. They are going for $160. Let me know what you guys think. I'm good on those. Even at a discount, I'm good on those. Dang, haven't we seen these for way cheap? These are going for $75, which isn't bad. See, I feel like we've seen this like so much cheaper. I don't know. Maybe I'm just comparing everything to Nike outlets. Everything else going for a regular price of $110, dude. Not seeing too much. Not seeing too much, you guys. But yeah, Bossco's right. Bossco's right. There's like a whole empty thing right there. Probably some mids, probably. Probably some mids. And the mids, everybody's been loving the mids, and I don't know. I don't know why, but yeah, it is. All right, let's go. Let's go see what's up. Let's go check out the other spots. Now we're at Foot Locker. They got a little line. I'm sure you're happy to see a line, huh? Bossco was already complaining. He's like, what the hell? Yeah, all right, let's get in line and see what happens. All right, here we go, you guys. See what's up. See what's up. Got some of the blazers. We're gonna have to see if Bossco's homie's working here too. See if we get some info. But yeah, I do got some blazers on sale. Those are always on sale. That's why I get mad at other spots when they're not on sale. KD's always on sale as usual. Okay, we've seen these at the outlets. Also see them here on sale. Not big sale though, because they're normally $160, only $20 off. Got some of the hybrids. Who's a fan of the hybrids, you guys? I'm not a huge fan of this colorway, but I do like the design as well as the silhouette. Yeah, I'm gonna have to see which one I end up getting. I think the all black one, I kind of like those. Nike outlet prices, you guys. Alpha Dunks, man. I think we've seen these recently at the Nike outlet for similar prices. We've seen these Presto Reacts go for $60. That's an interesting colorway. $85 kind of expensive, but yeah. A couple more on sale, but we've seen all of them on sale. All right, I have no clue what size they have, you guys. They do have the top 3 5s. Freaking dope. I'm a fan of these. The purple kind of kills it, but I don't know. I wonder if I should have got them, especially those ones from Korea that I saw, man. That was kind of dope. And then they got these as well. They only got a couple pairs. I think 8, 8.5. Is that what they said? Is that what they said? 8, 8.5? 8.5. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, so they got a couple return ones. These are pretty dope. The material, man. Yeah, that's suede. I'm a fan of that material. Wow. I love suede. If this was just another color. Dang, I can't wait to try out my Oregon 5s, man. Or the generic Oregon 5s. I can't wait to try it. Is this an all suede New Balance 574? This is pretty dope. I'm kind of liking that suede. $40 too. Normally $90 down to $40. That's just dope, dude. That's dope. Got another one right here. This does have some nylon right here, but $60, not too bad. Not as nice as the 574s for that cheap. This one not as bad as well. I still do like that 574 better. Dang. New Balance got some decent deals here for New Balance. Is it ironic that Champion makes these shirts? Because nobody really uses bots for Champion gear. Like if Nike made it, I'd understand. That's funny. I don't know how much they are. They're going for 50% off. That's all I know. Okay, dude, got some Adidas here. I think we're gonna wrap it up though. It's $70 for these, man. I'm telling you, cheaper than the Adidas outlets. More, $100, a little bit more, but still cheaper than Adidas. I think they had these and they were $120. Yeah, man. Chrome one's not bad. All white and gray, can't go wrong with that, man. That's dope. All right, they're about to close. I think they're about to kick us out because yeah, they're about to close at 8. So yeah, we're gonna wrap it up, you guys. No, wait, those of you guys that like to play hoops, Donovan Mitchell ones. Not too bad. Don issue ones, $40. Man, go play hoops in that. Yeah, those were definitely dope. We got the IEs as well. I think that was the dopest stuff here. I think we're gonna wrap it up.